ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka sengkhasi haka arfulai terik unai weng arajar arfui. Kala rakhi ya ka sengkut snem kaba shispa arfu arsnem. Da kaba sedang ya ka jingya ipaiba namadan yaurang sha lempung waking jayau. Ban peninam ya ka lariti jong jaj penriu khasi. Hagani ka sengkut snem kaba lalong menta ka kenti UMP jong ka Raja Sabha u Profesor Rakesh Sinha ulalong kum kongsan. Habakren kum kongsan hagani ka lempung u Profesor Sinha ula ai buram yaki nongseng yaka sengkhasi shispa arpu arsnem menshua na benta ban yada bat ban penek pensa bat ban kentiu yaka kolshor bat yaka niam tenrai jong khasi. Haga juga por ula yaro ru yaka kolshor namar badai tangham Meghalaya ba yaki kentei lapun kupor. Ula ongru ba kari India kala dai ban but nuksa naka Meghalaya haga bayadai bat ka jingpun kupor yaki kentei.
Ani kinrat kaseng kasih, ani mosakmi, kamu mo kadem kakerpon mo yapi ko meglay ko pablay. Ani kinrat bapilas ngapila pensya pila pidem kinrat baro masih kata ya ka ya ka nam ya ka kro ya ka jo. Ani kinrat nin kita kisne nin kita kipor bakawan ka klam kang o bakawan mo ka jingpang ka jing sito. Ani kinrat kala penkyu kala pesmit kala pentin kala penyu kinrat moya kikun benriu kinrat mo kibadon hasini kameramo. Ani kinrat kaseng kasih mo sekmi kadangu kadadem kakerpat. Ani kadakiu hakilar haduan mo kita kiso peneng kabadon kiringkau kabadon kibasa. Ani kinrat mo kadakiu kaseng kasih ringkat usim ringkat uki unrat ubami nakait kahima mo melim nidakiu hakilar haduan mo utay mo ulay silong pasilong ubakit ubaba ngidangu ngidadem on pelaj moya kapang kasitom kabayong kabangi. Ani kinran mo hitom kalapay mo kane kasni kabakraw jong kaseng kasi mo sakmi. Ani nadu basang mo kita ki khat riu ngut ki basang ki bai ki bathon ki la sun ki la shor mo nadu kate ikatarik ubinai usin Ani mo kala he mo kala yar kala san kala phu kala beng kala be Ani mo menta kala kot kala poi mo kenran mo chispa arpo mo kisnem la niu la weng mo kaseng kasi mo kenran Ani tam mo kenrat kala poi menta kasni mo kane kasni arpo lai mo tari Ani kasni ko kenrat ka bawan pinar niu mo kikun mo kiksiu mo kasih mo ringkat kaseng rat mo kenrat mo kentau kaseng kasih mo seng rat ni da her ni da wan nadu kari kenrat ho kilai posim na kari khana dalai rilendo ri soda ni kenrat ni da ngu ni da dem mo kawai kabor kabu Ani ka khun ka sang kasi ma ka khun ka sang rai to ya shai kum kasni to ya shai kum ubnai to ya phu kum usin teo sikut ya ubi mo ya uthang kum uso kum upai mo ya yar mo ya long kum kase kum kaskok Ani kan rat mo ki let mo ki kai mo ki khun mo ban riu ha ka mai karamau Ani mo kasang kasi kada kerku kada kerdo to ya la nya ka ur to ya la nya ka ha ya la ya ka lengku mo ya la ya ka paku ya la nya ukhyang ya utrang ya upsan ya upsi ya umrat ya umrang ya uksu ya ukrai ya ukla ya utlan Ani kenrat mo pilai mo saudong ka perthai hakari mo kenrat kilai bosim hakari khada daloi hakari bangla asam hakari doli doyong Ani kat kum kapor ki da shong ka kali ki da shong ka motor ki da shong mo karar mo kajan ka april mo asun mo kaling adurau to dari to dadu to da pek to da chko bakin lat nya ka urya ka Ani nadu menta kasni ngadangu ngadadam haringkat mo une u khau sha Iwai pa iwai kin ya yo mo ban pyup mo ban bam mo kenran u khang u ka chan unda long ka da wai unda long ka da sin unda weng unda kendat ya ka pang ya ka sitong he kenrat ya ka bayong ya ka bangin mo nadu mo menta kane kasmi mo kasta Tetang kita ki kintin tang kita mo ki jubam ngawan dam ko bilai bai Ani yo duna to dawan ka pendam yo bakla to damap yo dalain to hikai Ani ngada kerku kerdo mo iwai pa iwai ya song pra ya song pdung mo ya tot mo ya kha mo ya san mo ya thun hakiman karam no kan radha ngadangu ingon niko si hajaru là cái liang ka kenhun utamanusan don spa don hajar ban the pi bai ban ngimla ban yo kerteng lo te haba phi pisno I yangi ngi borom ya phi oban pen bok ngi ya phi kilong he kilong han kilong san kiman san Kilong mei, kilong pa, kilong nhi, kilong kong Kilong samla, kilong samhoy Kilong kelung, kilong kena Kin shim Yau neu khau balong udawai nak benta jengpi ba un ratlut ya ke jimpang jing speu jengpi baro ba pnyo ya ke mat ke bakot ke kia tai ne kentien ku belai ye pi baro kum ka buram ki temen kisan ki ai ku belai sen sen ko snem basok bakmen ye pi baro ku belai sia janya yau no
kanu kerhem ke bensim haringkat ke jing small sarong bat kemen baka sengkasi kala kenjo sekini ki shispa arpu arsnen berkala nang kiu kanang yang rasong nang po nang ping bat ya chakmat habun bun gilia ngangai badaka ba jengkit klia kit khia shan terpeng jau lengkor ba khia jong keseng kasi daki dekhot pat ki nongkit kam ba per baro jong keseng kasi haga jing alam jong rongba dong ku pa dekar mentang keseng kasi kmi nrei ki seng khasi ba per hi kelum lang ki pa ki benang bat dang so ki benang sno reden haka thmei long breu man breu tenrai jong khasi kin kiev shokrang ha baro kilia demta ni de pa shakamat kong santam hakini ki por kia kata ka sain perkhat niam jong khasi ne ka thmei ka niam u khasi haka por ka balengkot bar ka bate da bun ki kam ki jam ngayo ban pun krea di ni jing tho leng kedap bar la sot de katu kan ni nagi jing tho halor ke ni ka phang naki kot baper ngangek but you were rui giwei bakin yai beteng but no snyang lem halor kani kamat la shailish sni hagi lempong baper kani kan long ke jing mentoy ke bakraw hado kata but ke badam kamru ya ki samla bat ki pateng ki bandangwan tingin dia sedang handi dekat bakan mau kumde. Ya baro kiai kalengor ka bamjukut ka perthai ka sni ubnai ki klor ka sahet ka hao ki jing thau hi baro laslang na ka hok ka shikentia kahok kayang scam bat pura mdan kentien ban beteng nak hati ban airong ne airup ban penjungut ne ban pentame kayang marway jillon kata kadai ke jing shisha benengkong ukhuan nyau trap Tiwan long brio man brio sesla perthei lingba ka jingking siap halor ulum sopet beneng ni em hasla perthei pan kamai ya ka hok ha ka jinglong ha ka nongrem jinglong tip brio tip lei ringkat ka khenkur khenkha kini gilai mau bersih, hi gidai gi bela produk bat prat lenti, di bayalam haka imsgi imja, ha barok giliang kibangi ya tengku haka jingim jongi mam kesgi. Hagi ni gipor meminta, gila day ban kersiu biang yang jinglong tebriu teblay. Bashisha bat ka ba manpura ka jingem jongi ka jingem ka ba senlar bat ka ba syong nongrem ha ka jingmut jing perkhat ba khut bat ba subah halo ini sembo jing perkhat bat habangi ti benya bat ngam jelio haladehi ngisem bat sutu baka mayan blai ka em hangi iway pa iway. But ka te song yu breu baru blay try kenrat, nong bo nong tau, hajurong bat hatubiang. Kani kaya lam sekalinti, bat betin yang i habaro ki liang jong kajengim, jongi hak imlang salang kajingya day para breu, bat baro ki jingim ki jing tau, utray kenrat.
Kumangalong kani galong kadak jong ka jing ai ka jing itu jong ka seng ya ka jing trei mon subha jong ka Rama Krishna Mission klem kanu ka jing yo nong.
It is with lot of hesitation that I agreed to take this honor, because to Ramakrishna Mission, any service to humanity is service to God. For us, any service we do is not service, but it is the worship of the divine in every human being. With that attitude, the Ramakrishna Mission does its work all over the world, and to be honored for that work, we feel very hesitant, but still it's a great honor, and I accept this honor, and I do thank the Senkime and its organizers for having asked me to come here and accept this honor. Thank you very much.
It's a quiver made of wood. I hope you like it, sir.
When I was listening the speeches and national anthem of Khasi, and also the philosophical foundation of Saint Khasi, I came to the conclusion that if I have to define idea of India, we don't need to read many scriptures. Three cardinal principles of Saint Khasi, just three cardinal principles. Mairi Swankari, my Khasi is not good. I am a new to Khasi language. So apology with apology, and you have to bear with me. So when the Khasi, Saint Khasi and Khasi tribe speaks of the earth in an universal concept, we are the part of the Mother Earth. There cannot be contestation of this philosophy at this juncture, when all the heads of the nations are deliberating to save the climate and the earth. This 122 years old Khasi organization, which is older than more than 20 European nations, is giving message to the world community that although our population is not more than 4 lakhs, it's between 3 to 4 lakhs, but our philosophical foundation is stronger than millions and billions of the people of the earth. We understand the meaning of nature. We understand the meaning of culture. So Saint Khasi is to save the nature and save the culture. That is the motto of the Saint Khasi. That is the first philosophy which is coming from your own philosophy. And that philosophy is also the cardinal principle of idea of India when we define the Mother India in that term. Second is Kami Ya Ka Hok. Perform your duty with honesty. Whenever you are performing your duty with honesty, you are honest to the nature. We are honest to the work. We are honest to your neighbors. you are honest to your motto and objective. This second principle is not confined to you. Being the local, you are universal. The message is not confined to Khasi tribe. Message not confined to Sorwa or Gongthong. It is going to Europe. So universalism is the concept of Khasi. And third great principle, deep brew, hip believe. That is both the mother and father sides. The relationship you have to maintain. Socialization of life. Going beyond individualism. It is the individualism which is killing the world. You go to Europe and you will find the sleeping pills is sold like anything. Psychiatric disease, yes, and Khasi. You are giving to the world the message that family is not concerned to 2 and 3 people. Family is not concerned to those who earn livelihood. Family is extended. Equal love and affection. That is your message. What else we require to define idea of India? What Senkhasi says, India thinks. What India thinks, Senkhasi says. You are synonym to Mother India. You are not the sons and daughters of Mother India. You are synonym to Mother India. That's why I believe that. The people sitting here have to rethink and reintrospect also. Our 3 lakhs population is not our barrier. It is the quality of life and quality of thought which transcend the barrier of geography and time. When 122 years ago, this organization was founded with a great optimism in the past. When I see all of you, I find big confidence among the Khasi tribe. And when optimism of the past and confidence of the present, it gives the powerful posterity. The coming generation, the posterity of Senkhasi, would be a powerful generation which will cross the barriers. As it was said by our young friend, that barriers created by the colonial forces, barriers created by some internal forces, and that barrier is not the barrier of physical barrier. You know, the political slavery can be easily discerned. But the slavery which comes through idea and culture, it is very difficult to discern that. It comes very slowly. It erodes our own mind. It erodes our own philosophy. It erodes our own thought. It creates in our mind the guilt conscience. We became imitators of others. We follow what others say, what others pray, what others philosophize. We forget our own life. We forget our own ancestors. We forget our own history. Here this organization should be credited. Despite all the odds, despite all the contestation and attacks, we all of us continuing and would continue to our own ancestral philosophy, philosophy of Mother Earth, philosophy of social life, philosophy based on positive cultural journey which Senkhasi propagates and believes. Dear brothers and sisters, we have to cross Banihat. I consider the young Khasi, whether girls and boys, they have potential. They are not meant only for the becoming air hostesses or serving in restaurants. I find in you the potentiality and talents to become the part of the India's Bollywood, to become the part of the India's best academic institutions, to become the part of the India's best scientific laboratories. So Senkhasi organization has to generate confidence among the people, among the young boys and girls to come, cross the Banihat. And India's cultural, political and social life is our life. So local to universal, this symbiotic relationship would give you not only a process of evolution of thought, but also to the humanity. You have to contribute many things to the humanity. Remaining confined to a particular place with a particular mindset, that creates a ghetto. We are not the people to remain ghetto. When I say we, then I include myself. There is a region. Earlier my postal address was Bihar. Then it changed to New Delhi. Now it's changed to Kongthong. My new postal address is Kongthong. I am not only known, I would like to be known that I am a co-opted citizen of Kongthong, your own family. Henry Kaitijong Kum Khasi Kasong Thimai Jonga Kadaika Kongthong Namdayu Khasi. Now I am a culturally Khasi. You know, I began my public life as a RSS Swayamsevak, and I have been indoctrinated and still getting indoctrination. Every inch of India, every part of India is Mother India. I have been taught and indoctrinated. Wherever you go, you adopt that culture. Wherever you go, you speak that language. Wherever you go, you adopt the local people as your mother, father, brother and sister. So you can find Parveenji speaking good Khasi, knowing more than you the Khasi people or Meghalaya people. So this is the characteristic which gives us tenacity to reach to the people, the remotest corner of India, and I don't consider this is the remotest corner, by the philosophy, by your own culture, by your own objective, by your own temperament. You are the mainstream of India. India has to learn many things from you. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, when he became the Prime Minister in 2014, his one of the objective was to empowerment of women. Beti bachao, beti padhao. I spoke in Parliament and I also speak outside the Parliament. People all over the country has to learn from Meghalaya and other northeastern countries where women empowerment is not the political program, it is a socially established thing. So rest of the India has to learn from you how women become stronger. When women become stronger, culture becomes strong. When women become stronger, posterity becomes strong. In Manipur, I found Mahila Bazaar, women market, where the buyers and sellers are women. Asia's biggest market. In Meghalaya, I find the confidence of women, their activities in public life, except politics. Men have debarred you from politics. Now you have to also capture politics. They are very intelligent. They are giving all the keys, but not one key, that is politics. So I think that in future, many more women would be the part of the Meghalaya's cabinet, assemblies, Darbar. One more thing which I find, brothers and sisters, this is 75th year of India's independence. This is also a very important year for the cause you are fighting. And my brother Andrew Jenna spoke very elaborately, in a very powerful manner, how the Sankhasis suffered, who are and who were victimizers of the Sankhasi. Joining with him, I'm telling you what is the contribution of Meghalaya. In national politics, there are many more people than other states. Not only occupied the important position, but they contributed. One of them is P.S. Sangma Sahab. His contribution in parliamentary democracy is unforgettable. He became a revered figure, not only for Meghalaya, but all over the country, due to his role as a speaker in the Lok Sabha. During the freedom movement, Ras Mohan Rai, Babu Jeevan Rai, they played a great role in the cultural and political life of the nation. How can the nation forget? Some freedom fighters like Om Tira Singh, Om Kyong Nagba, Pathonang Sangma, they all played the great role. And on 75th year of India's independence, I expect the Meghalaya government and also the central government, I am in parliament to raise your voice that monographs should be published on each and every political and cultural thinker of the Meghalaya. Their statues should be placed so that the coming generation gets inspiration from them. Rijoy Singh Khongsa, who had been a great social activist in Meghalaya. The same forces I suspect kidnapped, the forces which had been and still to some extent see you with contempt. Dear friends, I told you that this is the 75th year of India's independence, and also that this year, I remember the cause you are pursuing. Shahid Guru Tegh Bahadur Singh Ji's Prakash Parv. He sacrificed his life for the sake of India's culture, for the sake of India's spiritual democracy. We are the only people in the world who believes in a spiritual democracy. Other people believe in political democracy, social democracy, economic democracy, but not a spiritual democracy. Here there is a Upanishad sentence, two words, neti, neti. This is not, that is not. This means contestation is the core of our philosophy. We don't believe in dogma. We believe in progressive unfoldment of our thoughts, progressive unfoldment of our cultural journey. That is the reason that thousands of sects, thousands of philosophies flourished. This India is the land where we always expect in future there would be new philosophy, new sects, new religious figures. So this pluralism which India believes gives it the strength of cultural democracy and spiritual pluralism. Nowhere in the world this is being practiced. You know, when Parsis were persecuted, they came in India in 777, contemporary era, in Gujarat port. They sent the message to the king. Sergeant port, they arrived. They were the ship. They sent the message that we want to get some space in your kingdom. King sent one glass of milk. Which the meaning of that one glass milk, that space is full. We are living as a community. We know each other. We don't know how the outsider would be. Every community is fearful from invasive community. As plants are destroyed by local plants are destroyed by invasive plants. So the leader of the Parsi community put some sugar in the milk and sent back that we are the people who would be mixed together. And the Parsi community in India, the smallest community, lesser than our population, Khasi population, now have been living for centuries without any trouble. Rather, we are conscious and concerned about decreasing population. This is the beauty of India's culture. This is the beauty of India's political and social and cultural philosophy which we practice.